Hey guys, you've probably seen this viral trend. I'll show you how to create this viral 3D figurine character with Gemini AI. You know, the Nano Banana trend. So you just come here to Google Gemini. You click on this plus icon to add files. You click upload files. You search for your image. You choose that, click open. And I want you to use this prompt, okay? I'll leave the prompt in the description as well. Basically, create a 1:7 scale commercialized figurine of the characters in the picture. You can have multiple characters, of course, in a realistic style, real environment. Okay, it's placed on a computer desk. As you can see, figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base, no text on the base. So basically, you just go ahead and use this prompt. Okay, use the latest version right here, and then go ahead and submit. Give it some time, and it will start creating the image for you. So let's let it work its magic. In just a few seconds, we have our final product. As you can see right here, it did a really fantastic job of our, initial image. As you can see, it's exactly as it is. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.